Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, June 13th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, the US dollar yen is definitely trying to break up on the 4 hour time frame at the 78%. But we have to keep in mind that the monthly, weekly, and daily time frames are down. So if the daily, weekly, monthly is down and the 4 hour is trying to break up, then you kind of need to assume that this move up likely is just a pullback within the higher time frame downtrend, especially with the three-wave ABC possibility that we have here. So keeping that in mind, taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. So this is the break of structure that I think would help confirm that we're in a bigger move to the upside. But one thing that really sticks out to me is that this is three waves down. So you got impulsive up, three waves down, impulsive up. I mean, this could already potentially be an ABC correction. So keep a very close eye on it. I mean, it could potentially go up, take out these highs, reject structure, and just continue the higher time frame downtrend. At least until we get some sort of significant break of structure or something like that, we definitely need to assume anything we see to the upside is nothing more than a pullback within a downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.